Hi guys, this is Maggie with the video from HEB. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and we have a great haul today. This is on the degree products. If you do like these products, we do have this. Guys, it's gonna get to zero out of pocket, guys. Okay, so stay tuned so I can tell you at the end how it gets better. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So you go to HEB, you have your account ready. You're gonna go ahead and clip your coupons, and you're gonna go ahead and select 6 items of the degree and 1 item of the Pond's. So on the Pond's is this very small container, guys, that is the 1.75 ounces. As you can see there. All right, you're gonna get one, and that's gonna be $1.47, guys. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the degree spray deodorants. All right, and then this is the ounces right here. Okay, they're all the same on the ounces. It's just the different smells. Okay, on the women's as well, you're gonna grab the same ounces. Okay, and they're $4.97, guys, women's and men's. Okay, so you select your own. All right, and then you're gonna go ahead and clip your coupons. Remember, before you go to HEB, clip your coupons, guys. Let me go ahead and show you which are the coupons you're gonna be clipping. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and go to your account. And you're gonna clip these coupons right here. It's gonna be 3 for this transaction. So first of all, the very first one will be the $5 off your 15 basket. Let me go ahead and clip it so you can read it. That says 5 off your basket when you purchase 15 of Tresemme, Pond's, or Degree Personal Care. So this is expiring on June 15, and it's unlimited use. Okay, guys, unlimited. All right, so the next one will be the $1 on any 1 degree. I'm sorry, no, that's not the one. The one that you're gonna be clipping is this one, the degree for women's. Okay, so you're gonna clip that one right there. And you're gonna be clipping the 125 on women's also. Okay, there we go. So it's going to be 3 coupons that you're going to be clipping, guys. 3. Okay, which is this one right here, the 5 off of 15, and the 1. Okay. All right, so it's going to be 3 coupons that you're going to be clipping, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and go to our receipt and show you my transaction. So this is what I paid out of pocket, guys, $18.92. Okay, so as you can see, they're $4.97 each, and the Pond's, which is right here, that one is $1.47. Okay, all right, so you're gonna see the 125 coupon right there, and you're gonna see the $1 coupon right there deducted. Okay, remember, those are digital, guys. Okay, which is this one's right here. The $1 right there, and the 125 right there. The 5 off of 15, guys, will be this one. Right here. 5 off of 15 and 5 off of 15. Since you're taking more than $30, so it's gonna deduct it twice. Remember, it's unlimited. Okay, now the reason why you see the vendor coupon $2 right here is because I went ahead and put in the Johnson safety swabs, $1.88. I went ahead and threw in these products, guys. As you know, with the paper coupon that we have, this comes out free. Okay, so I went ahead and threw it in there, guys, just because I had the coupon and they had some products and I needed that one. So okay, so that's why you're gonna see that one right there. And this is what I paid, okay, guys? The $18.92. Remember, the coupon is $2 for the swabs. The product is $1.88, so there's a difference there that is gonna be left over. Okay. That's about 12 cents, guys. 12 cents that's gonna go towards my my haul. Okay, so $4.97 each product. The only one that's gonna be $1.47 is the Pond's right here. That's the only one that's gonna be $1.47. Everything else is $4.97. Okay, the reason why you see $3.97 here is because of the digital coupon that they deducted one time here, and the other digital coupon that they deducted right here. Okay, remember those coupons, all right? Okay, so you're gonna go to your account, the 5 off of 15. You're gonna deduct the 5 off of 15 digital coupon, and you're gonna deduct the $1 off women's and the $1.25 off women's. The 5 off of 15. That's what you're gonna be getting here. So I paid $18.92, guys, okay? $18.92. Now the reason why I said that this will come out free, guys, at the beginning of the video is because it gets better. After you pay the $18.92, if you have Fetch Rewards application and if you have Ibotta application, if you have those two apps, you get your money back. Okay, so you're gonna go to Ibotta and you're gonna get $10.50 back for all these items right here. Okay, and then you're gonna go to Fetch Rewards and it's gonna give you 10,000 points, which equals to $10. Okay, and then if you also have coupons.com, they also give you cash back, guys, and that's gonna be a money maker, guys. So it's gonna be $10 and some, like $10.90 money maker if you have those three apps, guys. All right, so let me go ahead and show you my Ibotta account where I went ahead and did the reimbursement for that, so you can see. So give me 1 second and let me go ahead and show you where they gave me my $10.50 from Ibotta. Okay, here it is. All right, so this is my Ibotta application. Let me see if it can focus here. Right there. Okay, so you see the 1060 right there. Okay, that will be for the degree sprays. Okay, one moment. Okay, right here. See, I got the $7 for the women's spray and I got the $3.50 for the men's spray. Now I also had any item of 10 cents. So you're gonna go ahead and submit this to Ibotta, and it's gonna give you the $10.50. Okay. In this case, it was a little bit more because of those 10 cents that I received here. But it's $10.50. And then you go to Fetch. Let me go ahead and show you my Fetch app and show you where it gave me also my 10,000 points for these products, guys. All right, so you need to get this. You need to get these two apps, guys, at least these two. Now, if you have coupons.com, that's another great app as well, and it'll be a money maker, okay? So let's go ahead and show you. Give me one moment so I can show you my rewards here. Okay. All right, so here are my rewards. Let me show you. There it is. The 10,390 points. That's the one for the degree items. Okay, right there. Unilever products in grocery stores. All right, so that's the one I received yesterday also for the degree. So 1050 from Ibotta, 10,000 points, which is $10 from Fetch. It's already covering what I paid at HEB, guys, because I paid $18.92. It's already a money maker. Now, if you go to coupons.com, guys, which is this one right here, right there, it's also going to give you another $9.50 or so right there. Okay, so go ahead and get these apps, guys. Go get your products. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the referral code for Fetch Rewards and the referral code for Ibotta. For those two apps, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my referral codes just in case you want to open and install those two apps and get your accounts ready. You can use my referral code, guys, and I will benefit from that. I will appreciate it if you use my referral code. And also, you do get money. You get money on your accounts for opening an account and submitting your first receipt. They do give you a welcome reimbursement. Okay, so it goes to your account besides the degree. So this is wonderful, guys. This is a great haul at HEB. So don't forget, go get your degree products, guys. It's free, completely free. If you have not tried degree products, this is the time to try them out because they're free. Okay, so all right, so I'll get you on the next video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your time, guys. I wish you the best in your couponing trips to HEB. It's a wonderful store, great products. It's zero out of pocket, guys. So thank you. Have a great day.